Hello, my brownies. Hope you are doing great. I am back with a beautiful crafty supply haul, and this is my first haul video. And I've got a lot and lot of crafting supplies from Itsy Bitsy. Itsy Bitsy have launched a new shop in Koram Mall, Mumbai. So let's get into the video to know what all I have got. Hello everyone. So let's not waste too much time in the introduction and get right into the video. The first product that I've got are the sequences. Now these sequences are super cute and I've got 4 bottles of sequences and one sequence dispenser. It's called as confetti shaker and you have dispenser in this confetti shaker, so you can rotate the dispenser and dispense out the sequences from the holes. It's a very super handy sequence shaker. Next is a blue midnight mixed sequence which has amazing sequences in it, and I love Itsy Bitsy sequence mixes because it's quite a well balance of big, small and pretty tiny sequences, so it gives an amazing mix. Next we have a coral greenish blue sequence, and next we have a beautiful pink mix which is called as pink sharbat, and my most favorite is this licorice. This is a beautiful black sequence and I love black, so this sequence is very thin, very sparkly, very blingy. So you get these sequences in Itsy Bitsy's bling bling category. These were at a 50% sale, so I just could not resist and I got these sequences from there. I love sequences. Let's get into the second product. Secondly, I got few chalk paints. Now I'm not very familiar with this product, but I wanted to try out what and how it works. I had got it in the before sale and I'm still working on it, so let me work on it and then I'll get back to you of how to use it and what way we can use it. So I've got beautiful colors in this, from dark to light pastels. Along with this chalk paint, I've got another paint which is this multi-surface paint. Is an amazing paint because you do not have to use a varnish to give the finishing look. This paint itself does all the job. So I've got it in white and in black. Next I got beautiful pom-poms. Oh my god, I love pom-poms. They are super cute and squishy. And next I got 0.5 mm of satin ribbon. I was looking for this everywhere. Finally I got them. Along with this I got a sticky notepad, some magnets. Now magnets I've got it for scrapbooking so that it creates a hinge and lock, Next I've got some beautiful mini canvas board and artificial flowers for flat lace. Also along with that I got ephemeras. These are basically cutout embellishments. You can remove it from the packet, add foam tape or fevicol and add it to your project. It just adds so much beauty and I love this complete ephemeras that I have. Next I got a wax seal, so I got this stamp which says handmade, and 2 waxes. These are candle waxes. I got in white and silver. Next I got few handmade stickers. These are super cute and I love the gold foiling, the letters, the tags in it. They are just super pretty and they were on a flat 50% sale, so I just could not resist from getting them. And I've added few birthday tags, few wedding embellishments and few codes. Next we have metal dies. I wanted to have a nested die from a long time, so I got this tag, circle and rectangle nested dies. Next I got DIY kits. Now these kits were super inexpensive. I got a colorful one which has 40 pieces and vintage one which has 30 pieces. You can directly use the cards and you can make card. It has sequins, it has lace, it has embellishments, everything just in a packet. Then I got this beautiful sparkly thread for my Christmas decor, and I got this huge pile of cardstock free in my goodie bags. with different GSM, different colors and different texture. They are super pretty and I got it for free. Next I got few MDFs. Now these MDFs look so delicate and so pretty. I love the writings on it and I love how beautifully they are made. You can use this in your projects to elevate the beauty of it, and you also get few wooden alphabets. These are smaller ones, you get the bigger ones as well. Next are the handmade flowers. I must say I love Itsy Bitsy's handmade flowers. They're super pretty, they have so many varieties and I love how intricately these flowers are made, and yes, these are handmade. And I got these green flowers and the other 2 packs free in my goodie bag. Then I got this quilling paper. I've never did quilling, but let's try. Next I got few foam letters. Now scrapbooking, explosion box, everything, you just add this foam letters, glitter letters, and they just add so much beauty. So I got them in gold and silver. Next I got magnetic sheets. I'll soon come up in my IGTV with a video that how we use magnetic sheets and for what, so I will not disclose it here. So do follow us on our Instagram, the link will be in the description box below. And I've got A4 size 4 sheets of magnet. Next I've got the most favorite thing in this haul. Those are my paper packs. These paper packs were just for ₹99. There are 12 designs in each paper pack. In few paper packs there is 12 designs, in few paper packs there are 10 designs with 2 tag sheets. So it's like super cute. I love the designs. They are of 160 GSM, but they work amazing and you can directly make cards out of them. It was so fun shopping there, and I did not just shop for me, I did shop for all my other crafter friends. So I have a huge pile of Itsy Bitsy stuff at my home right now. And thank you so much Itsy Bitsy for such an amazing sale. And I guess every crafter who stayed nearby enjoyed shopping. And this was my first haul. I do not know that how did I do it. Do comment below and let me know, did you like it? You want more such hauls, more informative ones? I would love to read your feedbacks. Until then, keep spreading love, stay safe, take care, and I'll come up with a tutorial soon. Bye bye my brownies, loads of love.